am oblivious.
Hi.
A camera in my vase and I don't even get it. So it's like in my vase.
I'm listening to these birds right over here. And they sound like R2D2. It's really creepy.
Nope.
What?
I thought her passing would make them fly away.
Oh.
But they didn't.
No, they sound like freaking R2D2. It's... What? I wonder if you can hear that on camera.
We'll turn the camera to them. Bet you can walk up closer. They didn't fly when that lady was not flying. Oh my god, that's too funny. Every time you say
That's how the
I'll be
birds
thinking
sound.
about it, yeah. No Dr. Seuss.
No Dr. Seuss?
Well, all the ones, I already have all those.
Oh my gosh, this book is so cute.
Oh,
This one here.
I'm disappointed.
How do dinosaurs say friends? I just heard a Logic song in Zoomies. I think it was where he's like fucking with me now. And it was really weird. It was the first time I've ever heard Logic in a public place before. So I don't get out much, obviously. We're at the park now to get some Pokemon. I'm with my mom. And we're at the bay, the park on the bay. And there's a seal right over there, so I'm gonna go get it. Yes. Dugong, here I come. Oh, I only have 17 candies out of 50. That's nice. That's nice. That's great. I'm gonna try to just walk and hatch an egg because I haven't hatched an egg in a while. I'm hatching a 2-kilometer currently. So I need to walk around and hatch this thing. Okay, this is weird. There's a Christmas tree on the bay. This is like literally like a symbol of San Diego. Winter in San Diego.
Gotta happen.
All right.
This will be my Christmas card next year.
This will be your Christmas card?
I won't send out Christmas cards. That was a joke.
Act like you're like sleeping or like chilling.
Am I on film?
Yes. Well, don't destroy my product line. Dumbass.
This is making me nervous. Take a deep breath. I can't breathe.
Kitty, you're such a little loaf. A little loaf.
Oh.
Look at you, little loaf.
You have Ron that one half?
Yeah.
She rebought them.
I thought you got rid of those.
What's stupid is how much these figures are like selling for. Like you would think these are like $8 figures. They're actually all like $600 a pop.
What? Did you buy those for
No,
$600
hell no.
Pop?
Never. You buy them for like $40 and then you get the ones just in case. And when the just in case explodes and goes on price, you can be like, ooh girl, I can sell this.
I like how you knew what Ranma was. That you recognized it and thought, wow, you still have those?
I thought you had gotten rid of them.
I did.
Because, yeah, I remember those. They were on your shelf for like a long time.
Yeah.
Like look at these prices. $1,500 for one. The one I never got.
Of course.
Well, no, you never buy them that way. Just the first one I ever bought for $30.
What is it?
Teen Gohan. This is what it started it all. I remember I was broke. And I was like, ooh, $30, I can do that. Yeah, let me get that one. And I walked out, got home, and I realized, oh, wait a minute. I need to buy more. And then I looked at the other ones and I was like, oh, okay, I need to start buying all of these. And then I remember that one I passed off on getting for $70 once.
The trunks?
Yeah, and that's the one I shopped like $400 for.
Wow.
And I was just always like fucking myself for it. I had the money at the time too. I was like, I don't want to pay $75. I could probably get it for like $60. You couldn't get it for $60. It was like the last one before the prices shot up.
Nerd. Buster, but it's mine. It's my garbage. Buster! But it's garbage. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, okay.